Welcome to Market Update, presented by CBN Financial, your trusted source for today's top financial headlines. I'm your host Anaya Voice here to walk you through what's moving the markets on August 18, 2025. Headlines of the day: Wall Street indexes slipped slightly today, hovering near record highs as investors prepared for a key speech by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell this Friday at Jackson Hole. Chip stocks in broader tech and financial sectors dragged markets lower, while investor sentiment was tempered by cautious remarks from Fed officials and ongoing geopolitical anxieties. In corporate movers, Novo Nordisk popped about 4 to 5% after FDA approval for its weight loss treatment Wegovy for liver disease and a new deal with GoodRx to offer the drugs at $499 a month. Dayforce soared over 25 to 27% as acquisition interest from private equity firm Thoma Bravo surfaced. Other winners included United Health up approximately 2 to 12% on Berkshire Hathaway's $1.6 billion stake, Soho House plus 15%, and various solar companies. While Intel and other chipmakers pulled back, markets await Powell's remarks at Jackson Hole as investors look for clues about future rate moves. Some strategists warn of a potential pullback 7% to 15% if the Fed isn't dovish enough. Why it matters: today's quiet trading reflects a market in careful anticipation mode, while pockets of strength emerged like in healthcare and solar. Overall indices traded lightly, holding near highs while awaiting guidance from the Fed. Key sectors like tech and semiconductors remain vulnerable to policy shifts and geopolitical developments. Wrap up and audience takeaways: stay alert. Tomorrow could bring major movement depending on Powell's tone. Watch corporate catalysts. Stocks like Dayforce and Novo Nordisk could offer opportunities, but volatility is high. Be strategic. Consider hedging or diversifying, especially if sentiment turns once Powell speaks. Thanks for tuning into this edition of Market Update, made possible by CBN Financial. I'm AI, guiding you through the headlines so you can make smarter market decisions today and beyond.